Hello there. I am back again with another tutorial today. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Suliatayoade-Adediran. I am the cake consultant at Cake Mania Cakes, and I truly appreciate that you tuned in today. If you're an OG, welcome. Thank you again for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share. Today, I'll be sharing how to use WhatsApp Business to run your business as an entrepreneur or a business owner. If this is what you'll be interested in watching, then please keep watching. So for WhatsApp Business, it's actually created with the small business owners in mind. That's all it's created for, to run your business as an entrepreneur or a small business owner without having to go and get some expensive apps or websites. This is fantastic. It makes the whole thing seamless. It makes it easy for you as an entrepreneur to run your business. What you need to do basically is to go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for WhatsApp for Business. You type in WhatsApp for Business, and once you get it, you click on it and let it download. Next is to create your business profile, and to do this you need to start by inputting your business name in there. So the name you're going to be using now is Spicy Foods. It is wrong to use full capital letters, but you see why soon. You decide on your category of business. We're going to be using a food business here, so I'm going to pick restaurant. Then you go ahead, and the reason why I said you shouldn't use all capital letter for your first name is because it is against the guidelines and it's not going to go through. But I'm not bothered about that now, because I'm going to be changing this back to a regular WhatsApp and not continue to use it as a business WhatsApp. So we can just go ahead. So next up is going to be filling up my business tools. I'm going to start by changing my display picture. Enough showing off my pretty face. Now we need to make some money. So I'm going to change it to either a product picture or the company logo. So I am choosing a product picture right now. So I'm going to put a cake picture, because that is what we do. We make cakes. That is what we do. So change it to a cake picture, and then go ahead to describe what we do. And after that, we are going to fill up our business hours. We want our customers to know when we are open and when we are not, so that they don't need to send messages when the company is already, closed for business. So when you're not responding to messages, they can see ahead that this is why the business is not open at that time. These are the days that they are open. You don't have to respond to so many questions, because all your information are right there on your display. And the next thing for you to do is to set your location on Google Map. You can do this by staying in your office and then selecting your location on Google Map, or you can just input your address and let the map find it. This is very good, because customers do not need to start asking you for where to turn, where to branch. That thing gives me a headache, man. So the best thing for you to do is just put in your address, your full office address, so that easily customers don't need to ask you every time when they need to come and pick up their product or whatnot. Then please add your email address, your official email address. Customers do send emails, and it won't be nice if emails drop in your box and you don't ever get to check them. You might miss business opportunities if you don't do that. So please always check your emails. To create a catalog, all you have to do is to input your information, put the pictures of the products or services that you render, add the description, put the price range so that customers have an idea of what it's going to be like. If it is negotiable, you can put it in the description as well, and put a link if you have it on your website or any other place where you sell such products, or where they can order directly from, such that they don't have to contact you again. You can put the link on there as well to make it easier for customers to access. Add more and more products till you have exhausted all the products or services that you want to display for customers to see. Do that, and then don't forget to save. Away messages are basically set for when the business is not active. Say it is your closing hour, or you're not open, or it's an holiday, or you are even on a break. So you just have to go to click on your away messages, click on the send away messages to automatically reply any message that your customer sends to you while you are not available to quickly to respond to the message. So there are set messages, there are sample messages that you can edit, and you can customize yours if you want. You need to customize your away message, then schedule the times that it's going to send it to your customers. If it's going to send to everybody, or every single customer that contacts you during that period, you can also decide on which customers that you want it to respond to with the away message. So remember to schedule the time. You can customize it. You can put the recipients as well. You can select only the recipients that are going to receive it and those that won't. Now here, quick replies are fantastic. Quick replies are just, it makes life a lot easier for you as an entrepreneur, as a small business owner. Say for instance, you're running a promo, or maybe you have like a large number of customers that you attend to on a daily basis. For instance, your account number. So rather than always typing your account number all the time, or a response to a particular inquiry that a lot of customers do ask, what you just have to do is to just type in, save your quick message, and once a customer asks that question, by the time you type in that keyword, it automatically pulls out the options that you have in your quick replies, and you select the one that you want. You can also edit that selection, so it makes it really seamless for you to respond to so many customers time. So basically what you do is you just need to go to your quick replies. You going to add additional information by clicking the plus sign there. You can edit the sample that is there already if you want to, but you can add new ones or additional ones after that one. So let's take, for instance, we want to use the account number that I used as an example previously. All we have to do is click that addition sign up there, input your account number at the top there, and then put the keyword that you'd use to remember your account number. Say we are going to use GT Bank. After putting that in, you save it, and all you need to do to bring it out is when you want to send the account number to the customer, you just need to click on the type the /, and then you have the options of all the quick replies that you have, and then you can select the one that you want, which is your account number. If you want to add any more information to it, you just add it to it and then you send. If not, you just send to the customer. Personally, my favorite part to this fantastic WhatsApp business is the fact that I can label my customers. That thing has saved me a million times. Like the fact that you can, let's say for instance, as a cake maker, I can put in prospective customers. I can tag paid order. I can tag for each date. It reminds you easily of those that you want to send messages to. Say at the end of the year, it's so easy for me to send a message to every single customer that has ordered from me that year. Imagine, I can tell which customer ordered from me that year. I can tell which customer ordered the previous year. I can easily streamline and customize the messages I'm going to send to my customers. I can tell every single order that they had with me. If I have, say for instance, I have a returning customer, I have a tag for them as well. So if you are a customer that ordered only once, I can easily tell, because let's say I go to my customers, I can see all the tag for customers that only ordered once. I can easily send messages to them to remind them to know why they've not come back. I want to know what is happening. I can send messages to those that have been there repeatedly. They've maybe patronized us more than once in a year. If I choose to send gifts to customers that have repeatedly patronized us, there's a tag for it as well. I can easily spool out the information. It's so seamless. If I wake up one morning and I'm not even in the right mood, I can't think of, oh, what customer is here or there, or maybe I was on the road all through, I can easily pick up all the orders that I have for the next 1 week from my list of tags. I don't have to get to the office first. I don't have to have my book. I don't have to be carrying books around. I don't have to be buying some expensive app. It makes it so seamless, so easy. There's absolutely nothing you cannot label people for. So you have labels for every single thing, and easily you can pick them out. It makes life so easy. What you need to do is just to open your chart, go to the 3 dots at the top right hand side, click on label chart, and use any label of your choice for it. If you want to label a specific message, you do the same thing. Repeat the process by just highlighting the message, click on the 3 dots at the top and give it the label that you want. Thank you for watching till this moment. I really appreciate. So if this is of any use to you, if you feel like it's, worth your time, please tell me in the comment section so that I can continue to give you, spool out tutorials like this, things that have been very useful for me, that does not even cost a dime, and is going to be very useful for your business as well. So make good use of it. Send me a message if you have any concerns or any questions. I'll be very glad to respond to you. Peace out.